I joined the drone competition just because of my love for aviation. Like, I want to be a pilot after high school, so just to get more hands-on experience. The most exciting part of drone technology to me is just the future of advancements that it has, like such as cameras on drones and competitions like this, being able to survey area and stuff like that. So I'm very interested in that, just the technology behind it. So that's definitely my favorite part. The career path that interests me after this competition is definitely a pilot, like I've said, but as well as different kind of autonomous drones. I never knew that a drone could be coded and go by itself, so definitely I'm going to look into that. The military has a lot of drone opportunities as well, so that definitely interests me. Thank you for Harmony for giving us this experience. I'm very glad to be here and couldn't do it without you.
I joined drone competition because I fly drones in my free time, and I thought it'd be cool to join the school team and, help them in this drone competition, hopefully to win state or nationals. The most exciting part of the technology is just the engineering of the drone and the aerodynamics. I'm into aviation, hopefully to get my pilot's license, so it's a big step for me and learn how to fly and just understand the basics of aviation. This type of competition will help me in the future by providing me just information on how to fly drones, because in the incoming future, drones is becoming a big part of our reality, and the career field is getting bigger, so it's definitely opening a lot of fields and opportunities just for flying drones. So it's really helping me out.
I love drones because drones can move in unique ways, and you can do different things with drones. For example, you can do an aerial shot for a movie, or you can do anything else.
I think teamwork is best for the drone competition because you get to team up with your teammates and show them really good things.
I joined the drone competition because I was very interested in what career paths and other things that drones could lead to.
One career pathway that I would like to choose that has to do with drones is wildlife management.
I joined the drone competition because one of my teachers suggested me in it because she had known I was into robotics and things. So I've always kind of enjoyed coding, so that's how I ended up becoming a coder for this, and I also became a visual observer. And my pilot is one of my best friends, so we kind of go together. The most important, exciting part of this drone technology is I enjoy the coding part of it mostly because I just always enjoyed coding.
One thing I've learned from my team is perseverance, patience, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Thank you, Harmony High School, for featuring this event and including us in it.
The reason I joined the drone competition is to see how drones work and how they are programmed.
Because I think drones are very cool and they have lots of potential, because you could use them to see places that humans normally can't go, like maybe inside a cave or somewhere too high for humans to go.
I joined this drone competition because I really like flying, and this is pretty close to that. And I just want to say thank you to Harmony and my teachers for sponsoring this event.
Hi, my name is Bruce Alcordo. I'm the parent of Bernali Alcordo. My daughter is a 6th grade middle school student at Harmony School of Discovery. Since she started this joined the drone competition, it has helped her a lot in terms of team cooperation, and it actually hones her skills. I know that the drone competition drones in the future will be the future for technology, and this will help her open up to other avenues in the future. I would like to thank Harmony for sponsoring this fantastic event. Thank you.
Hi, Ms. Carranza. I am a science and STEM teacher in Harmony School of Excellence, and I enjoy being a coach for the drone team because not only do students get to experience something that is advancing their skills in technology, but it is also very exciting for them to develop skills in communication and have fun along with other teams. It is remarkable to see how much they are able to challenge themselves, especially when they don't feel like they'll do great, and end up doing the best that they possibly can. Even from ages as young as 4th grade and 5th grade, they still excel. And it's as long as we give them the opportunity to do that, they'll always be able to achieve success. Thank you so much, Harmony, for sponsoring this event for our students.
Hi, my name is Mr. DeLeon. I'm from Harmony School of Excellence, Katy Elementary. The main reason why I really liked our drone competition is that it allows our students to apply their learning and apply themselves to something that they can see actual results in. They can see themselves growing, getting better, and they can start actually learning different things as coding and learning how to use our drones in a way that can make them feel that they've accomplished something. And that's why I enjoy bringing students to our competitions this year. Thank you, Harmony, for organizing these drone competitions and letting us participate.
I joined the drone competition because it looked fun and I want to fly. Like, I want to fly.